Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you a very new feature in Adobe Photoshop 2021 that is called sky replacement, and you can find this option under the edit option in the menu. So if you have an image and if you want to replace the sky, now you can easily replace the sky just with one click. So instead of doing like old things, now you can do easily, you can easily replace the sky in any image. So you can see I have opened in this image. So we will change the sky of this image. We will go to the edit, and as I told you, the sky replacement you can find here. So you will click on sky replacement and you can see that it will apply. Just a second, it's loading. So you can see the sky will appear something like this, and it looks incredibly beautiful, and we can change and we can apply more sky options. We have three categories like blue skies, spectacular, and sunsets. So if I click here on the blue skies, you can see we have a number of blue skies, and we can apply one of them. You can see the clouds also are appearing here. So if in the spectacular, if you want to apply, it looks stunning, beautiful, and just with one click we can replace the sky option. See, even we have options like sunset. So if you want to apply according to your image, so you can also apply sunsets. I will apply, for example, this one, the spectacular, and this option. Now there are a few things we can control, like in the sky adjustments, brightness, temperature, scale we can control. If we want to reduce the brightness, so you can see the brightness will reduce, and if we increase, you can see the brightness will increase. So according to our image we can control this one. Temperature also we can control, you can see, and the scale of the sky you can also see. So like this we can apply, and you can see in the history, so one of them you can again apply. So I hope you have learned how to replace the sky in new Adobe Photoshop 2021. This is a very new feature. So please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.